All right, guys, just doing a little bit of scanning, came across Dell. Like it's above the moving averages. So this is kind of a justification. This is for Anna. She was asking a little bit about why I enter some of these trades. You can see it's a nice long-term uptrend. It's above all of its moving averages. Every time it's pulled back to one of the moving averages, it's either bounced off of it or continued to go higher. We got further confirmation with the stochastic secondary indicator. Every time it's hit the bottom, which is the oversold position, it has gone back up. So you match it up on the time axis, gone down on the stochastic, went back up. Gone down on the stochastic, gone down on the chart, bouncing off of a rising 50-day moving average, went back up. Same thing here, bouncing off of the 20-day moving average, bouncing off the oversold position on the stochastic, went right back up. Right now it's bouncing off of, we need a price confirmation, so we need a bullish candlestick to show us that price wants to continue back up. But we have it coming right down between the 9 and the 20, which is the bullish buy zone. Still in a strong uptrend. At the bottom of the stochastic, and based on historic price action, it has gone back up. So we're assuming, based on high probability, that it's going to go back up on this time as well, as long as we get confirmation. And the RSI still has room to run. It's below 60, which is what I like to see. And then also the volume's a little bit low on this pullback as well. Let's see if I can get it to, there we go. So there is some selling pressure here, but it's lower than the average. So we're good to go there. So we'd like to see some buying pressure tomorrow or the next day, so that way we can get an entry. So it's not quite there yet for a buy signal, but I do like it. It's coming back to a support level. Might fill this gap, might pull back a little bit more, might bounce off of this 50. So that's why we wait for confirmation, right? But what we can do is just add this to the watch list. It's not ready to buy yet, not ready to pop yet. If it comes back down and maybe touches this resistance level or this resistance level at this rising moving average, it might be a buy signal if we have a green candlestick. Notice we get a green candlestick here, went back up, green candlestick here, went back up. Anytime you see pivot confirmation, you get a green candlestick bouncing off of a technical catalyst, such as old resistance as new support, or a rising moving average. And then also you have your stochastic as confirmation. So let me know if you have any questions. Always here to help. Have a good one.